Look at his numbers on this season. He's been a victim of lack of run support as well this season.
Took a vicious liner as Terrio grounds to short. They're going to stay out of the double play. No! Kosuke was running with the pitch on the 3-1, but he was called out on a very close play at second. And he struck him out. It's a first strikeout for Kawakami. Called strike 3. Got him on a slow 66-mile-an-hour curveball. Gonna try to go around the horn, and they will. A 5-4-3 double play. Second turn of the day. They had one back in the first as well.